Alright, home skillet, so today is going to be a little different. I got to fix my boy Josh's HID. He has an out HID. He has the bulb. Well, no, he has the ballast. I have to change the ballast. He is actually coming here right now. That's what that text was for. So I'm going to just wait here, wait for him to come, throw that in real quick, and then we'll get back to what the video was originally about, which is this carbon fiber, well, gold carbon fiber wrap. What's this for? It's to wrap my cluster because I have an idea. Well, it's not really a crazy idea. It's just kind of a cover up. That's all it is. So let's do this headlight, and then we'll start wrapping. Look who just decided to show up. My door doesn't work. Let's see what's good with homie Josh. Smile, you're famous. What's good, yo?
Feeling, yo.
Good seeing you.
You got the whole.
You already know, son. What you want to say to your mom, yo? Yo, what happened to this? This is that shit you're talking?
That's why the headlights stopped working.
What the balls, dude?
Fucking smacked the deer.
Nah, you could dent that. Honestly, let me not say you can get. I mean, you probably could. It's thin, cause all that's good still.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
You could probably get that like close, maybe, cause it's not that bad. It's just here. In the comments, let me know if you think that this can be hand bashed out, cause the rest of the fender's fine. I mean, this is a drift missile, you know, so it don't matter. He's going slide with this thing. So you got HIDs. So the bulb's not broken, it's the ballast. Okay. That'll do it. Go pop that hood, son. Let me see what.
That's just gonna be a pain in the ass too, yo.
Hey, won't know until you try. Oh, snap. There we go. Oh, come on.
I got you,
Dang. That thing is. There's a special formula to this? Oh, yeah, dude. You're going at it. That was a process. Dude, there's like. Oh, right to the ground. Doesn't even look like it's bent that bad. But headlight.
Yeah, that shit is all fucking. The cap in the back flew off.
I had to get a new battery for my mic. It ran out, and I'm walking back over towards the home skillet Josh. Got the bumper off and the headlight out. Should have recorded it, but I needed two hands. He's there, but he was helping also. So now, just unscrewing the ballast. Screwdriver is too big. So now I gotta get my key. Gotta somehow stick my hand inside this window. This angle's crazy because I'm really doing the most right now. Alright, don't worry, home skillets. There will be time for S12. Got the headlight on. We're gonna test it. Hey! Hey! Yes! Yes! Nice! Oh, I love it when things work. Oh boy, we got a slight change of plans. I actually found some of my Japanese Soy Boy Super Stance Boy print, and we're gonna put this on the dash instead. Yes, in we go. So we got the dash out of the little crevasse it was in, and now we're gonna apply Soy Boy decal. I have to cut around this, oil. I'm gonna cut the window out, obviously, cut, and then try to somehow cut out the box below it. It's not raised or anything. It's slightly raised, so I might be able to see it through the wrap. So I'm just going to cover up all this. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to take this out because this will illuminate a light. And for my idea that I'm going to show you guys when this is all done, it's going to be pretty sick. And do the same over here. So, magic hands. Wait, I got this on now. It looks like absolute garbage because the wrap started to do that. This was some other black wrap. I can't get it off my hand. This is maybe like 1.5 years old wrap that was like left in my car. So it wouldn't stretch. It was breaking. It was literally flaking like this. But I don't really care because it's going to be inside of the inside of the dash. But yo, I didn't even peep that. Super NA. It literally says maximum tune, no boost. Super N-A. Boom. Now, oh, I don't need the key to show you guys the light. It'd be a lot easier to show you guys with the steering wheel off to put the thing back in the stock, right? So that's it. Yeah, I still got to wire a light into that, and I still have to wire my temp gauge. It's powered and everything. I just don't have the wire wired up because I didn't get there yet. So badger me about that too. In the comments, tell me what you think about that, right? But wait, there is more. Here it is. Here it is. And no, it's not anything car related. Well, it is car related, but it's nothing that you think it is. It's a Garmin GPS. Why would I put a Garmin GPS in my car? Well, you are going to see. I need a speedo, and I hate not knowing where I'm going when I'm driving. Especially when it comes to a new location. I hate it. So I want to know where I'm going at all times without using my phone. So a GPS is the best option. And it has a built-in speedo. And now that's mounted. So with my lights on, it's like this. You know. And then, oh, do I have it upside down? Ha! Hold up. Wait, no I don't. Alright, so when the car turns on, when I have the power cable on, it will turn this on automatically. But there's a button in the back. Right. So skirt. And now I have my GPS with my speedo and everything inside of the car. I mean, I'm honestly very excited to drive this just to see how this experience is going to be. This is a 87 Nissan S12 with a GPS in it. Built-in GPS, not really, but yeah, kinda. Now, I don't know. In the comments, let me know what you guys think about this. In my head, this is like the coolest thing. I don't know why. It's a no-brainer. I mean, is it a no-brainer? I guess. But this is not something that I've ever seen before. I mean, you obviously see GPSs inside of cars, but let me know in the comments down below what you think about this, because this is some future stuff right here. I think I might have changed the game. So stay tuned for the next video, because the next video will be these spacers for the rear, courtesy of my cousin. I love you, man. Thank you very much. He's definitely real day one, literally. These are gonna go on the S12. They're 1.25 inches maybe. I don't know if they go like that, but it's pretty thick. Y'all see right now where the S12 sitting with the +1 inch. That's gonna sit extra flush. May need to drop the rear a little bit, but that's all once this car is actually out on the street and all bushings changed. So like and subscribe, Home Skillets, let me know what you think about this. I really want to know what you guys think. Be honest, be honest. If you hate it, let me know if you hate it. Opinions are opinions. We're all human, we have opinions. I think that I may have changed the game. Maybe. For all the broke stance boys like moi. Stay tuned for the next video. Take care, Home Skillets. Have a nice day. Don't butter your toast without heating it up in the microwave first.